In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import an Excel file into Airtable. This is an essential skill if you're managing projects, organizing data, or simply seeking a more interactive database. Airtable combines the simplicity of a spreadsheet with the power of a database. So let's get started. Firstly, you'll want to navigate to the Airtable website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in airtable.com. As the site loads up, you'll see a sign in option at the top right corner of the screen, or maybe somewhere on the homepage depending on your setup. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the login page. Now, if you already have an Airtable account, you'll just need to enter your credentials, type in your email and password, and then click on the continue button. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up for one. But for today, we're focusing on those who already have an account. Once you've signed in, you'll find yourself on the main Airtable dashboard. From here, you'll want to navigate to the specific project you're working on, find the example project or the project you'd prefer to work with and click on it. This will take you into the project space where all your tables and data are stored. Inside your project, look for the add or import plus sign. Clicking this will open a menu with various options for importing or adding new information. From the list, you'll want to select Microsoft Excel as your import option because we're importing an Excel file today. Now the interface will prompt you to browse your files. This is where the magic happens. Click on Browse Files and a window will pop up that lets you choose the Excel file from your computer that you wish to import. Navigate through your folders, locate your Excel file and click to select it. Once selected, Airtable will begin the import process. This might take a little time depending on the size of your file and the complexity of the data. Be patient during this process. Airtable will import your data into a new table within your project, allowing you to interact with it using Airtable's powerful features. And that's it, you've successfully imported an Excel file into Airtable. Take a moment to explore how your data is displayed within the application. You can now enjoy all the benefits of Airtable while still having all your data accessible from your Excel files. Thank you for following along and happy organizing with Airtable.